Owls are among nature's most extraordinary predators. While they may not be the fastest or the most aggressive hunters, they possess an unparalleled advantage that makes them one of the deadliest creatures in the wild: stealth. Their ability to move silently through the air and ambush their prey with surgical precision makes them the ultimate nocturnal assassins. But what exactly makes owls so quiet and so lethal? When we think of birds of prey, falcons often come to mind. Falcons are built for speed. With their sleek, aerodynamic bodies and powerful wings, they slice through the air like living missiles. Peregrine falcons, for instance, can reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour in a dive, making them the fastest animals on Earth. But speed comes with a trade-off: noise. Unlike falcons, owls take a completely different approach to hunting. Instead of relying on speed to catch their prey, they rely on stealth. Their success in the wild depends not on how quickly they can strike, but on how quietly they can approach. When a falcon attacks, it does so with sheer velocity. By the time its prey hears the rush of wind and the sharp call of the falcon, it's already too late. But an owl? The owl's prey never hears it coming at all. One of the primary reasons owls can hunt so effectively in darkness is their extraordinary night vision. Owls have large, forward-facing eyes that give them binocular vision, allowing them to judge distances with remarkable accuracy. Additionally, their eyes are packed with rod cells, the photoreceptor cells responsible for detecting light. While humans struggle to see in dim lighting, owls can make sense of their surroundings even in near-total darkness. This means that an owl can spot even the slightest movement of a mouse in the dead of night, locking onto its target with laser-like precision. Interestingly, owl eyes are so large that they can't move within their sockets. Instead of shifting their eyes like we do, owls turn their entire heads to scan their surroundings. Thanks to an incredible skeletal adaptation, owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees without cutting off blood flow to their brains. This flexibility allows them to maintain constant surveillance without having to move their bodies and risk making noise. While an owl's vision is remarkable, its hearing is just as crucial to its hunting prowess. Owls have highly developed auditory systems that allow them to detect the faintest of sounds. Some species, like the barn owl, have asymmetrical ear openings, one ear positioned higher than the other. This unique structure helps owls pinpoint the exact location of a sound, even if their prey is hiding beneath snow, leaves, or tall grass. Imagine a tiny field mouse scurrying beneath a thick layer of fallen leaves. Even in complete darkness, the owl can hear the rustling of the mouse's tiny feet. In just a fraction of a second, the owl processes the sound, determines the precise location of its target, and begins its silent descent. What truly sets owls apart from other birds of prey is their ability to fly almost completely silently. While most birds produce a noticeable whooshing sound as air rushes over their wings, owls have evolved specialized feathers that allow them to move through the air without a sound. If you look closely at an owl's wing, you'll notice a few key adaptations that contribute to its silent flight. A velvety soft feathers. Owl feathers are softer than those of other birds of prey. This velvety texture reduces turbulence and absorbs sound, allowing them to glide noiselessly through the air. A serrated wing edges. Along the leading edge of an owl's wings, you'll find small, comb-like structures. These help to break up the air as it passes over the wing, reducing the noise created by turbulence. A fringed trailing edges. The back edges of an owl's wings are frayed, which helps to further muffle any remaining sound. This adaptation disperses the sound waves, preventing the telltale whoosh of flight that would otherwise alert their prey. This combination of features makes owls virtually undetectable when they hunt. Unlike a falcon that relies on sheer speed to overwhelm its prey, an owl is a master of patience and precision, creeping ever closer without giving itself away. Another crucial aspect of an owl's stealth is its wing shape. Compared to falcons, which have narrow, pointed wings designed for high-speed pursuits, owls have broad, rounded wings. These larger wings provide more lift, allowing owls to stay airborne with minimal effort. This means that they don't need to flap as often, further reducing the noise they produce. An owl's slow, controlled flight allows it to maintain complete silence, creeping through the night sky like a ghost. This ability makes them particularly deadly to their unsuspecting prey, who never hear them approaching until it's far too late. Owls have perfected the art of silent hunting, combining keen vision, pinpoint hearing, and soundless flight to become some of the most efficient predators on the planet. While speed is often associated with danger, owls prove that stealth can be just as, if not more, lethal. Their hunting technique is a remarkable display of evolutionary ingenuity. Every aspect of their bodies, from their soft feathers to their unique ear structure, is fine-tuned for a single purpose: to strike undetected. It's no wonder that owls have fascinated and inspired humans for centuries, appearing in myths, folklore, and stories as symbols of wisdom and mystery. So the next time you hear a faint rustle in the trees or spot the glowing eyes of an owl staring back at you in the dark, remember, you're in the presence of nature's most silent and deadly predator. And if you happen to be a small rodent scurrying through the underbrush, you'd best hope the owl isn't already locked onto you. If you found this deep dive into the world of owls fascinating, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more amazing wildlife insights. Have any owl encounters of your own? Let us know in the comments. We read every single one.